Imagine a world where compliance isn't a burden but a streamlined process. Hello, my name is Carl Carpenter and I'm the CEO of Arrakis Consulting. I'd like to discuss how we help clients become successful, and a part of that is our three-phase methodology. The Arrakis methodology transforms this vision into reality, blending professional and managed services to help organizations achieve their compliance and security goals efficiently, but in a structured and controlled manner. Our unique approach integrates cutting-edge technologies and expert insights, fast-tracking your team to audit readiness. While we can handle any regulatory environment, very common environments are CMMC, ISO 27001, SOC 2, and GDPR. First, we identify your control framework requirements. What do you need to be compliant with? This step sets the foundation for a successful compliance journey. We call this Phase 1, and at the end we provide a detailed report as well as a high-level PowerPoint briefing to help synchronize everyone on the current posture of your company. In Phase 2, we implement sustainable solutions to reduce risk and produce traceable evidence as well as consultative support from our certified professionals. The Arrakis stack of tools is tailored to your needs, ensuring compliance gaps are effectively closed and in a quicker manner. Phase 3 ensures ongoing compliance with continuous support. This phase is where we reinforce the concept that compliance is a lifestyle instead of a race with a finish line. We adapt to evolving frameworks and leverage automation to reduce effort, risk, and cost while enhancing security. During this phase, it's common to outsource critical roles that you can't fill internally. Arrakis can help you with this as well as perform various tasks to help demonstrate continued compliance by your company. By embracing the Arrakis methodology, you'll achieve seamless compliance and security. Are you ready to transform your compliance journey? Contact us today at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to get started.